Hey YouTubers, I'm going to try and make this video quick, but here's all my bolens tractors. So my first one was my 1254. I got this handed down from my uncle, which was my dad's uncle. Would give it to my uncle, and then I got it. I painted it. A half-assed job. Anyways, the hood was yellow when I got it, so I didn't want to just paint it white, so I painted it blue. Don't know why, but today I decided to get all the tractors out and get a picture of them. Well, get some pictures and some video of them, because I might be selling this one. It's been sitting in the shelf for such a long time now. But I've had this one for quite a while, well, a bit over a year now, about a year and a half. Wisconsin, well, it's a 1254, which is the Wisconsin TRA 12D. Then the next one I got the 750. The 750, when I bought it, had no motor. I did buy the original motor back, but I put this Briggs in there for now. And I need to fix the pole starter, but break it. But yeah, it works pretty good. Haven't drove in a while. The battery had a charge though. The last time I drove it was in the winter. Now we're into July. So, started up right away. No complaints on this one. Got narrow tires for weather cracks. So. Put a G10 and G10 hood and whatever the hell it's called. Well, whatever it's called. What the heck's the thing? Dash panel piece. And the next one I bought was, I'm pretty sure it's this one, was my Hydro. I bought this in the fall last year, and I've done a lot of work to this. Power steering. I put a Briggs 16 horse in it. Yeah, quite a bit of work went into this one. This is actually, I use the tractor all the time. Then the next one I bought was that G10, the chassis, but I don't think it has G10 decals, ID tag, but it's got a beige frame. So I want to say it's a 1054 or a 1254, or maybe an 853 or 854. I had the high and low, so that had been painted over. So I'm pretty sure it was a 1254 or a 1054, one of the two. Then I bought this one in the winter. Had no motor, and then my friend happened to have the motor that came in that one, and I bought all the mounts. This is a G11, not G11, G12. It's kind of like a G11 now, but except it's got high and low. Well, G11 doesn't. But this one works pretty good. The engine's all been taken apart and cleaned and mechanically cleaned. And then later on I bought the 1256 and G14. The G14, I pulled the head, had to fix the valves, fix the front axle because the front axle broke. Well, the front spindle broke off, like that tractor did, same side. So I made this, got this one going, runs pretty good. Need to put a muffler on it though. Then the 1256 had the engine replaced. This tractor is 1972 or so. It's a 1256-06. So I think they made an 07 after that. But the engine was replaced in 1988. So it's a newer engine, but it burns oil. So the engine that's in the H14, I traded a Craftsman garden tractor for. Oh, that's where my other sign went. But I traded the Craftsman garden tractor for it with a Kohler a Kohler MV18S. It's like a Magnum. It's basically the same as the horizontal. It's the only thing that's different is the intake manifold, from what I can understand. The mounts are even on the block. So I may be getting that back, trading this up. I do have the original engine roll out for that one. Yeah, and then I've got a whole pile of attachments. Homemade sweeper, homemade rear blade, snow blade, rototiller, 3 snow blowers, homemade 2-stage blower, mower in there, another blade, another mower deck, 2 more mower decks, and then there's another tiller over there. Also, I picked up this engine yesterday. I may put in that the G14, not the G14, the 1256. Well, thanks for watching.